If you still think that trading is all about luck, you've simply never traded seriously.
Yeah. They say that I'm on the road. Maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking tolls. Find me out here on my own.
I'm the Fear. I'm 5 years in the market. I've built a system that over 6,000 people use daily. Today I'll show you exactly how we get results. And if you're still not in the Telegram, you're just holding yourself back. Subscribe now, stop wasting time. Let's begin with the Euro versus Swiss franc. Looking at the chart, it's a familiar picture. After a strong upward move, the price hits a peak and starts stalling. Candles are getting shorter and the movement is losing steam. These are the moments when the market is practically whispering, "Get ready for reversal." I don't hesitate, I open a sell trade. All signs are there. Not entering would mean missing the opportunity. Catching these reversal moments is even easier with Profitex robot. It analyzes trends and highlights the best entry points for you. Want to see it in action? Write "I want Profitex." And it paid off. The trend calmly turned downward. No spikes, no surprises. First trade brings in $73 profit. A very solid start. The market is clearly on our side today. Next, I move to the Euro versus Canadian dollar. What jumps out immediately? The price once again touches a resistance line. I've seen this before. Every time the market touches this level, it slides downward. The price structure hasn't changed. That's an extra confirmation. When the price is stable, there is no need to overcomplicate. I open a sell trade. In the VIP channel, we break down setups like these daily. Levels, pullbacks, and clear bullish or bearish scenarios. Want to get the plan before the move starts? Write "I want VIP." And once again, smooth execution. Price moved down without any noise. Trade closed in profit and the balance grew by another $141. This is one of those moments when the market behaves predictably. And the trade's job is simply not to get in their own way. Now, looking at the Canadian dollar versus Swiss franc. After a short bullish move, the price hit a top and seems to be losing strength. That's when our trusty helper kicks in, the super trend indicator. It clearly signaled that a downward reversal is very likely. You've got to catch these moments quickly. The entry window can close in just a few candles. No delay, I open a sell trade. Don't have time to find entry points yourself? Turn on copy trading. The trades will be mirrored to your account automatically. Write "I want copy" if you want to earn with us. And again, spot on, the price reversed calmly and moved down. Another $270 in profit added to the account. Trades like these are a great reminder. All you need is to read the signals properly and not sabotage yourself with doubt. Final trade of the day: Australian dollar versus Japanese yen. The setup is almost textbook. The price reached a local high, stalls, and you can see that buyers are starting to lose momentum. Indicators confirm it. Candles weaken. That's my green light. I confidently open all sell trade, fully trusting the logic behind the move. Want to break down trades like this with us in real time? Join private trading. There is personal guidance and structured growth. No pressure, just clarity. Right? I want private. And what a great feeling! The price dropped almost immediately, following our forecast perfectly. The final trade brings in $519 profit. Ending balance $1,083. And all of this starting from $80 in a single trading session. This is your real-world example. Trading is not about miracles, it's about proper analysis, a calm mind, and reliable tools like SuperTrend. Today I started with $80 and ended with $1,083. And you know what? This is accessible to anyone who's ready to work, without rushing, without chasing quick wins. If you want to understand the market deeper and move faster, check out my Telegram. There you'll find the ProfitX robot, fresh analysis and real trading ideas, copy trading for passive income, and private trading with hands-on support. Go after your goals. See you soon!